Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you this handmade bathroom that I made in one of my doll houses. I posted it a while back, but I want to give a chance to those people who never saw it. I want to give you a tour, and for the people who did see it, maybe you don't remember much of it, so I'm giving you a second tour. So what inspired me to make this this bathroom, was this cute little rug here in green. It feels like a rug, but it's actually to place the pots, the pots and pans. Underneath is a glittery decorated paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. So that's the flooring of the bathroom, and I added the green carpet to it. Then I had a little ceramic chair that I added to the area, and I have a laundry room right here. Now this laundry room, if you really look at it, you can tell what it is. It's the interior of a jewelry box with 4 compartments. If you look at the middle one right there, don't those look like towels to you? But you insert your rings into each slit right here. This is where you put your rings in. But to me, it looked like towels, right? So this was perfect for this area. Then I had one of those salt and pepper shakers. See the little holes? That's what the washing machine is. I didn't have a dryer, so what I did was I took a white plastic box and I placed a little printout on it. The printout of a washing machine or dryer. So now I have the pair. Then I made my own little things to look like detergent. Other miniatures that I had around. I made my own bounty paper, and I cut out some more towels just from the washcloths that I had around, like that green one. Up here you can see some glass fish. These belong to my mom. I have a few more around. That green one blends in really well in here because of the rug. So I really love that area right there, the laundry area. And since this bathroom is so big, I was able to place a lot of other things in here, like this mud sink here. This mud sink, the white part, was part of a copier. I'm not sure what it was used for, but that hook, the faucet, is actually a hook. So that did not come with the white piece. Then over there where the toilet is, that is a shampoo cap. The wastebasket is a shampoo cap with real toilet paper inside. Then up here, these are eau de cologne from the Dollar Tree. I bought a whole bunch because they are so pretty. Then over there I have a handmade shower. The base of it is actually a little box where I bought I think it was a money clip that came in there. So I made it at the tub, and the black and white checkered piece, that's just a file folder, a piece of file folder. And as the shower head, I'm using a hook, upside down, an adhesive hook. That's all it is. And then I took some plastic, transparent plastic, to make it look like the shower doors, and that you can see right through. That yellow piece over there is an air freshener, so it really smells really good in here. As the sink, now we have 4 sinks in there. The brown part, the brown wooden part, is a napkin ring holder. So 4 napkin rings were in there. I took them out and I placed these little silver round discs that were from diskettes. Remember the old diskettes? That's all it is. As the faucets, I used 4 hooks, 4 adhesive hooks. And that mirror is from the Dollar Tree. Then up there, those green pieces are magnets. And they just look like light fixtures. Then over there in the corner, you see that brown piece? You can tell that that's a drawer from a jewelry box. And I bought it at a yard sale, just that piece alone. And I made it like a broom closet right in the corner there. I had the little wastebasket, a little broom over there, and it all fit in here perfectly. So I think that this is it. I think that I showed you everything. I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.